CodeApex. So today we're diving into interesting Visual Studio Code and integrating it with AWS. Now let's go ahead and create our IAM credentials. So IAM is Identity and Access Management. So log in into your AWS Management Console and search for IAM. Click on the first option. So here comes the IAM dashboard. So on your left hand side you can see Access Management tab, and under that click on Users. And again click on the username. You can see the list of users over here. So yeah, so after you click on the username, you can see permission groups and security credentials. Click on security credentials. After that, scroll down to access keys. So here you can generate your access key. A single user can only create maximum of two access keys. So I have already created one. Now let's create another access key. Click on create access key. So you have to choose a use case if you're aware of what you're gonna use it for. So for now, let's click other. Now click next. Now you can give a tag value for your access key as well for description. So yeah, here it has generated your access key and your secret key. So make sure you download the CSV file and do not lose your keys, that you cannot retrieve it back if you lose it. Now you can click and download the CS file. After that we're done, click on done. So yeah, it also reminds you to download it. Now click continue. So yeah, that's how you create your IAM credentials, which we will use later in our VS Code AWS extension. Now after you have created your IAM credentials, get back to VS Code and open AWS Toolkit extension. And you have three options to sign in. So let's select Resource Explorer. And under that we are selecting Provide IAM Roles Credentials. You can use SSO as well. So click on IAM Roles Credentials. So after that you need to give your profile name and the access keys and the secret key that you generated, and click add profile. After that you'll be connected to AWS. So now after testing your code on local machine, now we're going to use Visual Studio Code to deploy the Lambda function on AWS. So for this you need to connect your IAM credentials to AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio Code. So here, as we can see, before we upload the Lambda function which we created and coded locally in our Visual Studio Code. So before uploading, this is what the Lambda function local code looks like. So it's just a simple hello from Lambda, but we have developed a different Lambda function in our Visual Studio Code environment. So as you can see it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload it. So right click on dbdemo function, upload Lambda, and select directory and click no, and select the directory, and this will publish the selected Lambda function. Yes, just wait. Now it's uploaded. Now let's get back to the AWS and let's refresh the page, and it should be uploaded here. So as you can see, the code has been updated. So yeah, so that's how you push your local code for Lambda function in your Visual Studio Code and deploy it on AWS.